Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace an Audi A3 rear wiper motor, only way. Start by disconnecting the battery and preparing tools, then remove the wiper arm carefully to avoid scratching the glass. Work on a clean, flat surface and label connectors as you go. Keep fasteners in a small container so nothing is lost. Take photos at each step for reference when reassembling to ensure proper alignment and wiring. Begin by removing the interior trim on the tailgate to access the motor and linkage assembly, using plastic pry tools to avoid damage. Peel back the weather seal if needed, and set trim pieces aside in order. Disconnect the wiring harness from the motor and mark connectors with tape for easy reattachment. Unscrew any retaining bolts and free the linkage carefully, supporting components so nothing drops into the panel cavity during removal. After exposing the motor, unbolt the unit and separate it from the linkage while supporting the mechanism, then transfer the linkage to the new motor if required. Install the replacement motor, tighten bolts to secure but avoid over-torquing, and reconnect the electrical plug firmly. Reconnect the battery and cycle the wiper to confirm correct movement and park position. Once functional, disconnect power again and reassemble trim, seals, and the wiper arm, verifying alignment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.